Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand how we can set up Webhook for Dialogflow CX agent and handle request from Dialogflow CX and response to that request. Also, I will show you how you can navigate to another flow from one flow and navigate to a page inside a flow. There is a small note here. First, I will assume that since you are searching for Dialogflow CX Webhook, you know some basics of Dialogflow. Second, I will assume that you have some programming experience with NodeJS and how a web app works with NodeJS and Express. And the last thing is that I'm not going to write every piece of code that I will run during this video, but I'll just demonstrate the code and explain the structure of the code. Hey, don't worry about the code section. The code used in this video is available on my GitHub repository and you can find the link for it is in the description. So let's get started. See you in the next part of the video.